You're probably thinking, what is that he's looking at? Well, that is my new rearview camera from Chigee. So that's part of a Chigee AIO-6. Didn't have it set up on the last one, but got it set up now. Look at that, giving me my speed and what is behind me. And that is a real good view. The last camera, you couldn't even see anybody behind you. That is almost like me turning around. Oh, that is what that is. The Chigee has, since Chris has taken it to Germany and done an evaluation on it, which is going to come, the professional rider, a police officer, is going to give us the evaluation on Chigee AIO-6, and I think he liked it. So stick around for that as well. But that is, I just thought I'd explain to you what that is. That it is my new rear view camera. What is bloody cool? Blind spot. So on the BMW system, you've got this triangle here that lights up when it feels like it. Watch this van. I'm going to keep him in my blind spot. Now, he's right there. I can see him. I've got notification as well, which is great. But I can clearly see him. But I can see him now with my eyes. I'm not even looking at the mirror. I can see him in my peripheral. Not even a full head turn. That I like a lot. I really do like that. So that's him effectively in my blind spot for my mirror, but not my camera. I can't see him in the mirror. He's in the camera though. Double check, there he is. Loving that. Thanks, G. Bit of filtering one-on-one by Nick. Don't follow me through a gap, boys. That's for sure. Half asleep, Pete. Just suddenly thought of something. You won't be getting away with that on the RT, will you? Oh no. Oh, nice one, mate. Let's go down the outside here. Maybe the RT will fit down here, but not down there. That's the downside, I suppose. And while we're stationary, take a look at that van there. And look at it there, it's right there. Don't need to look round, I can see it. 27 degrees today in Blighty. Feels like I'm in Spain. Almost glad I didn't bring the friggin' airbag. It's a nice little breeze coming in. So that's a fair point though, filtering on the RTs there. Going to be tricky. Well, it's not happening, is it? End of story. So would you want to buy it as a commuter, Bob? Probably not. Oh, bike's braking for me. Look at that. Love it. How fast is she going to get till she stalls? Cruise control deactivated. Righto, that took 20 minutes from Hamilton, I think. Probably making that up. See if I get across here. Anyone come in? Nope. North Oxford, BMW. The new home for Peter Tracy. Don't see any RTs lurking around. Go. Check that out. Could have cleaned it, Pete. Where is he? It's like a sweet shop in here, isn't it? There he is. Peter? Area 51, where the deals are done.
Mate, here we go, new RT. Can't go wrong with that. Just amazing. It's going to be a wicked ride. Lovely day for it today, 30 degrees. What time to be riding the bike?
So is it going to be like riding a greenhouse?
No, because you've got your adjustable flaps here. So can you move your wind deflection across? That's again the whole point of it. Give it a go while you're riding it, see what you think to it. You've got the adjustment on both sides, just to see if you can make the airflow better.
And this is the ASA version I've just found out.
This is the ASA version, yeah. So
okay.
Fully automatic. Got the option there to use it as a manual. But
yeah.
It's an amazing, going to be really good fun.
Okay. Any little do's and don'ts?
No.
Ride it in manual?
Ride it in manual, ASA. I think it's been improved since the GSAs and things like that now.
Dynamic or Dynamic Pro?
Dynamic Pro on there. The difference is with the new RT, on the older RT, you didn't have a Dynamic Pro.
On the floor? Fucking heavy. For those of you who wanted to know what the hell I was doing, I was trying to put a microphone on the floor. Nearly dropped the damn thing. Next Sunday you'll get the full review. Can a GS rider switch to a... Can a GS rider switch to an RT?